California to the New York Islands, from the Redwood Forest.
They sang and they chanted,
Sí se puede! Sí se puede!
hoping the 9 justices meeting privately inside the Supreme Court would hear them and agree to take up an immigration dispute. They were fighting for their children, her husband,
Soy de Mexico.
I'm from Mexico.
and themselves.
We are people working. We are not criminals.
Brenda Barrios came to the United States illegally 12 years ago from Guatemala. 3-year-old Kevin was born here. She and 4 million other undocumented immigrants thought President Obama was protecting them from deportation with an executive order issued 2 years ago. But lower courts have blocked the move. The administration is appealing to the Supreme Court to hear the case and see it their way and solidify the president's immigration legacy.
I don't want to deport. I want to stay here. I want to work hard for my rights because I am human.
People don't just have the right to come in, crash our borders, and then demand to stay.
Dan Stein is president of the Federation for Immigration Reform.
What the protesters are trying to do is demand that the president and the Supreme Court allow them to break these laws and jump in front of the line. The American way is fairness, fundamental fairness. And fairness is what defines the American dream.
Republicans in Congress agreed with Stein and refused to pass any immigration reform. So the Democratic president circumvented the legislature and issued an executive order. That order is directed at immigrants with no criminal record who have children born in the U.S.
We are here not because we are desperate to come here. We are here because that's the only way out to live as a human being.
Should the court agree, arguments would be held in April with the decision announced in June. Plenty of time before President Obama leaves office. At the Supreme Court, Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.